Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and contact Coinbase support. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now you can go ahead and do this methods whether you're using your mobile devices or using your Windows computer. First things first, you want to head over to your browser, and from there you want to head over to help.coinbase.com. So you can just go ahead and open this website up and you will be taken to this page. From here, you want to scroll all the way down until you see the support category, and from there you'll see the contact us section. Click on contact us and you have to choose your product in this page. In my case, I'll be choosing the Coinbase wallet, and from there you have to go ahead and click on the get started option right here. You want to specify your problem by choosing on these options, and right after you can just go ahead and click on the chat support message us section. Now right after clicking the message us contact section, it will then take you to the Coinbase virtual assistant, where you can go ahead and sign in to have a conversation with the Coinbase virtual assistant. But if you want to head over to the live agent, you can just go ahead and fill up this necessary informations right here, and you'll be able to get a verification code, and from there you will be able to get in with a live agent. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.